ELF short little update for next month, June, and next week. I have been the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made over 5 years, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. The first thing on the list with ELF was I very much liked the previous week's performance. It was very decent, right? 34% up. It's been nice. And I like the higher time for bullish market. So going into the next week, I'm very open-minded for long. So this is what this line pretty much says. What I'm not going to do though is randomly start buying. I'm hoping the price pulls down, gives me some sort of a double break for me to keep going and buying. Other than that, like me randomly getting involved, it's not going to be happening. So yeah, with ELF, I'm not sure. Yeah, it's not showing up. Yeah, it does show up in my Discord server, previous receipts. But other than that, I'll just continue to keep you updated. You know, like last thing that I'm going to do is randomly start to buy. No, rules must be met first. So I'm going to keep an eye and keep you updated. So if you want to stay tuned and want to make more money, like 5 to 10K per month trading like me, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.